In this video, we're going to review how to install the GeoCore CP. This is the GeoCore CP. When you first receive it, you'll need to loosen these 3 screws. 2 are visible now. We're going to start with this one. Only going to use the provided Allen wrench. No need to use any power tools. Once this is loose, I can pry this open. Go for the last one. And I'm going to make sure that they are completely loose all the way. Very important. Give this just to make sure we're good to go. So you can see this one has R and an arrow pointing this way. So this is supposed to be the right side of the rifle, and this is the front. So this is going to go like this. We are going to slide the CP onto the GeoCore from the front. I'm just going to place it, tap it in. See this area here? There's some notches on the inside of the GeoCore CP, on the CP. So we're going to match them. And here it is. Now this one goes in. We're going to start tightening the screws on reverse order. So we're going to start with this one, the front one. No need to overdo it. The CP has a very tight fit on the GeoCore. Now we're going to move from this one to this one. Finally, the middle one. Okay. Now, when the middle one is still loose, I'm able to adjust the height of the CP. Now, this is actually tight enough for me to use. I can always make sure it stays in place. Not going to move. Adjust the height. You can open this, or you can keep it a little bit more. Now it's loose enough for me to adjust it manually. Don't need to use the tool anymore, but it's not going to move while I'm shooting. If I want to make sure, I can always just tighten this more. To remove the GeoCore, the CP from the GeoCore, we'll start with this one, front one. Again, all the way out. Continue to the middle one. Need to make sure they're all very loose. Now we're just going to peel the CP off. Grab the core. And it's off. That's it. Thank you for watching.